Okay guys, look here. Read this question 39. Look here. Z is greatest integral of y and y is a further defined function. Yes or no? Clear? It is asking then what is the value of? Clear? So what is written? X is not an integer but positive. So 2.5. Yes or no? Yes or no? So as soon as I put x equal to 2.5, from here I get 2. Say yes. Minus 2.5. What am I getting? When I put negative 0.5 here, what do I get? Minus 1. What do I get? So what is the value of z? Understood? Clear? Try it with any other number. 1.1. Try. Try it with 1.1. Try the same question with 1.1 also. Understood? Greatest integral function question. Guys, greatest integral function will come. Okay? Its definition based question only will come. You can easily get it. Okay? Sure. Do not lose the question GIF. Clear? Sure. Sure, solve. So what is written? F of x is given, g of x is given. They are saying f of g of x is equals to g of f of x. Then which of the following is correct? So first thing first, if I put x equal to 0, if I put x equal to 0, then f of g of x is f of d. Yes or no? Yes or no? And g of f of x is g of b. Where it is written? Understood? Clear? For compositions, you have to work on the input part. You have to work on the input part. Clear? Sure? One more time. Very good. Forget this. Tell me what is f of g of 0. So you will say, sir, g of 0. What is g of 0? F of d. Yes or no? And if I ask you g of f of 0, so you will say, sir, f of 0 is b, g of b. As per the given data, they both are equal. So f of delta is equals to g of bravo. Where it is written? Clear? Yes or no? Sure. Fine. Okay? Guys, there was a very easy question which I left, okay? Yeah, I am only doing the thought difficult ones. Look here. F of x is defined? Yes or no? Whatever, leave it. G of x is also defined? Okay. G of f of t का definition दिया हुआ है उसने. It is explaining you what is the meaning of this, which you already know. When then the question is g of f of this whole thing. So what will you do? At first, instead of fx, you will put it this here. Put it. So you will be like, ready? 1 plus e minus 1 upon e plus 1 upon 1 minus e minus 1 upon e plus 1. Yes or no? Goes in the numerator 2e upon e plus 1. Whole divided by 2 upon e plus 1. Yes or no? E plus 1 cancel, 2 cancel. Only e. Clear? What is log e? Log number to the base same number is equals to 1. As the base is e, and here also we are getting e. Log a to the base e is 1. So the answer of this part is coming as, so g of 1. What is g of 1? 1. So what is the answer? Understood? Clear? I am erasing. Do it again. Do it again. Done. जब आप बोलेंगे 10 को छोड़ के ठीक है, थोड़ी देर में बस एक क्वेश्चन हो जाए. 64. Take your time. It's a combination of two concepts. First, look here. First, you have to find f of g, and then you have to do its inverse. Clear? So, combining this and that, find f of g. So, your answer is, sir, g of x is this, which I will put here. Yes or no? So 2 times of x cube plus 5 minus 3. 2x cube plus 7 is FOG of x. Yes or no? Clear? Now we have to find its inverse. We know how to find the inverse. 2x cube plus 7 equal to y. 2x cube equal to y minus 7. X cube equal to y minus 7 whole by 2. So x equal to whole to the power, where it is written, instead of y, they have written in form of what? X. Clear? Understood? Clear? Sure? Got it? 100% श्योर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं ये, आएंगे ही, दे विल बी देयर इन द एग्जाम. See, look at this. Finish 67, 68. Quick. Yes or no? Clear? Start. This is 1 point something something. This is negative 1 point something something. So this answer will come as, and g of minus 2 will be 2. Yes or no? G of minus 5 by 3 will be plus 5 by 3. And f of 1 point something something will be 1. 2 minus 1 equal to? Understood? Clear? Do the next part. Do this. So g of minus 2 is? And g of 2 is 2 itself. F of negative 1 point something something is minus 2. And f of minus 2 is minus 2 itself. F of minus 2 is minus 2 itself. Minus 2 is. Clear? Fine? This should be minus 4, obviously. Minus 4. I'll do it. Relax. Look here. There's a misprint. Don't worry. Look here. Or if this is plus, then this can be 0. Clear or not? Look here. No doubt that this is equal to 2. Yes or no? G of minus 2 is 2 and G of 2 is 2. So surely this whole part is equal to, no doubt in this. Clear? Now, this is negative 1 point something something. Yes or no? 1.8 to be precise. Clear? So f of negative 1 point something is minus 2 and f of minus 2 is minus 2 itself. Minus 2 is an integer, na? Point decimal, there is nothing. Okay, in the same note, wait, good that you brought in. Here, note down 2 things. If the input is a positive real number, proper n, then the answer is n itself. Similarly here, if the input is a negative real number, proper negative n, then the answer is proper negative n itself. Okay? Sure. So GIF of 5 is 5. GIF of minus 5 is minus 5. Clear? So if we go here, then this is negative 1.8, whose answer will be minus 2. F of minus 2 is what? Minus 2. So this first part is coming minus 2 there is a minus sign and this part is also coming plus 2. So the total answer should come as minus 4. But if there is these option, then this should be plus and then the answer will be 0. Clear? Or this has to be minus 4. Clear? Good, good, good. Solve 81 and 82. Quick. Fx squared tan x log x. Ln means log to the base e. It's read as ln. So f of x is pi by 4. Yes or no? Clear? G of pi by 4 is 1. Log 1 is 0. Note, log 1 to the base anything is equals to 0. Sure? No maths required. Basic understanding of how it has to be done. Okay? Next, 82. F of 2 is 4. F of 4 is 16. F of 16 is कर लोगे, it's easy. Yes or no? '89. 23 question. See 2000. 89, 90. Relax. F of x is coming. G of f of x is given. What they want? G of x. So relax. What is f of x? So this line means g of x square minus 1 equal to x minus root x plus 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? Means in all these x's, if I put this, my answer should come as yes or no? Yes or no? Start. If I put here minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. Yes or no? Root of x square is x. Clear? Minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. Fourth root of x square is root x. Oh, I want minus plus 1 also. This is my answer. Clear? How many know? Everyone understood? Everyone is hungry. That's why they are like, "Jaldi khatam karo, jayenge abhi." Is it recording? Did you check? Understood this? So once we know that G is this, what is G of 15? 16, 4. Minus 2 plus 1. 5 minus 2? Understood? Clear? Understood? Sure? Last question you guys do, then I'll leave you. Same question, you will see that this scale. Do solve. Minus b. What is f of b? F of b will be ab minus b. Am I having ab minus b? No. F of a square. A square terms are not there. This is remaining. Let's see. F of d, ad minus b plus g of b, bc plus d equal to 2d. Yes. Instead of ad minus b, can I write minus bc plus d? Minus bc plus d plus bc plus d. Is it 2d? Clear? Sure. Straightforward. 4 questions you will get. Increasing and decreasing is not here. It is in another sheet. So go have your breakfast and come back.